Getting the right thermostat that's compatible with your heating and cooling system voltage is key to avoiding major headaches and costly repairs. So first off, always check what voltage your heating or cooling equipment actually uses before buying a thermostat. Most home systems run on 24 volts, but some older or specialized ones might use 110 volts, so mixing those up is a no-go. You want a thermostat designed specifically for the voltage your system needs to keep everything working smoothly. When installing, double-check the wiring to make sure it matches the thermostat's requirements. Mismatched wires can fry your system or cause it not to work at all. If you're unsure about the voltage or wiring, it's totally worth calling a pro instead of risking damage. Also, look for thermostats labeled universal or multi-voltage only if you know they fit your system's specs, because not all of them actually do. Keep in mind that smart thermostats usually are made for low voltage systems, so if your setup is high voltage, you probably need a different option. Taking these steps saves you from wasting time and money on returns or repairs later on. One of the biggest problems people run into with thermostat voltage incompatibility is buying a 110-volt thermostat for a 24-volt system, which can blow out the wiring or the thermostat itself. Fix this by always verifying system voltage first. Another common mistake is trying to install a low-voltage thermostat on a high-voltage system that just won't work and can be dangerous, so pick a thermostat rated for your equipment's voltage. Lastly, a lot of folks overlook proper wiring connections during installation, causing the thermostat not to control heating or cooling correctly. Double-checking wiring diagrams and following instructions carefully solves this. Avoiding these issues means your HVAC system will run better and last longer without surprise breakdowns. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about heating and cooling systems. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people who need reliable pros for projects like thermostat installation and repairs.